Guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can get voice chat on Roblox mobile app. So let's jump into the video. What you need to do first, you have to open up your Roblox app. So after opening the Roblox game, you will land on this page. So after that you have to click on this more option, just like that. Please guys, make sure you watch the full video and follow every steps that I'm going to show you. So after going to more, you have to click on the settings option right here. You have to scroll down a little bit and click on settings. So after that you have to click on accounts info. Then please guys, make sure you have added your phone number, just like this. After you have added your phone number, it will be sent a OTP on your mobile number. Then you will get verified on phone number. So this is important to verify your phone number and email address here. After that you have to put your email address and they will send a OTP same as phone number. Then you have to verify your email address, just like this. So after that you have to put the birthday, you put your birthday here. After you putting your birthday here, make sure it is above 13 years. Then you will be able to access your voice chat. So after doing so, you have to make sure you have added your ID, your national ID or your driving license other ID, just like this. You have to make sure you have added your national ID or ID on your Roblox mobile app. So after adding your ID, you have to make sure you save this. Then you have to go back, and after that you have to click on privacy. After adding all of these things, you have to verify your ID here. Then you have to click on privacy. Then you have to scroll a little bit and you will find the option called microphone and camera input, just like this. Then you have to turn it on like this. You have to click on enable, then your voice chat will be enabled. So after that you have to click on this option also. If you want to access on your camera, the camera will be open and they will animate your movement on your Roblox games. So just like this, you are ready to go now. So this is how you can turn on the voice chat on your Roblox games. I hope you find this video helpful guys. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.